mic, folks. Working here. Anyway, welcome to Sunday. I think I'm going to try another route video. So today is the 23rd, about 35 degrees. It's Christmas Eve. So the first thing we got to do is cold start this puppy. Yes, we're outside, the house, the shed, all that stuff. And I wanted to try making another romp video. I've had the last romp video I made with this thing really didn't come out the way I wanted it to. Actually, it didn't come out well at all. It had those colors on the bottom. So I'm going to try this again, and if it doesn't work, obviously I need another camera to get something different than this. So let's use some of the bad camera work as I screw this on and try to get the bike started and all. Just give me a moment here. Smell gas, which means it's flooded. That's not a good thing. So much for trying to get this thing started today. Doesn't look like she's going to be here for herself. So I really do want to see if this camera is going to function properly. So let's take a walk back to the garage, see what's going on. I got to pick this up again. Yeah, see, still Sunday. Nice day in the Hudson Valley, sunny, not bad at all. Might as well try a little camera action with this boat anchor, see if it's any good walking around. We've got quite a bit of wind here, blew some plywood around and all. Off to the garage. I don't know how well you can see any of this, but my lights are on. Pretty good. Yeah, it's cold out. It's in the 30s, 35 or so. So I turned the gas on and attempted to fire it up. It flooded. Probably should change the plug, get this thing going. I'm just going to put everything back in here quick. For anybody watching this video, sorry for the disappointment. I have a bunch of things to do, family things to do, so, you know, being the holidays and all. One of the good things about having a family is you got things to do on the holidays. One of the bad things about having a family is you got things to do all the time. So that's going to tie up a little bit of of my time for a little while. You guys can see my security measures here. And if anybody's any good, they can figure out that I'm actually right-handed, not left-handed. But this isn't too bad, doing the wrong hand work. So, anyway, sorry about the no romp video. I gotta put this all the way up on YouTube to see if it goes bad colors, because when I put it on my PC, it looked alright. Okay, that's good enough. Alright, my high security here, right? Like somebody's gonna steal my quad, it won't even start. Okay, folks, you know, the usual discussion: live, love, have a great time, stay alive, tires down, handlebars up. Merry Christmas Eve's Eve. Hopefully I'll have a little more time tomorrow. We'll make a new video. Okay, Hoarding Mayhem out.